it's me. Dearly beloved, we've got videos to make.
Hey YouTubers, I'm downtown Denver with your next YouTube Professionals Meetup Group guest, Brian G. Johnson. What's up, Brian?
Hey, great to be here. So excited about the meetup. Woo! It's gonna be fun.
July 7th, coming right up. Well, it's in a month and a half, but put it on your calendars because we're gonna be talking about
Interactive cards. We're gonna talk about buttons and the ability to drive traffic.
You're on a real march right now with YouTube and all the subscribers that you're joining, as well as the author of this book called The Trust Funnel. And the name of our show is Interactive Buttons and Hidden Features Inside of YouTube that can help you grow your channel. Tell us what some of those things are going to be, what we're going to cover, and what people are going to get out of the event.
Well, Anthony, great question. You know, the thing that's really cool about YouTube is that you can create videos that ultimately direct people to where you want them to go. That could be your website. That may be another video. Maybe you want to send people to your channel page. For me, I wanted to grow a channel, so I've got the pillows. I'm directing people to my channel, and I'm really creating calls to action to create a channel and grow. Now, for some people, it might be to send them to a sales page or a business page, and we're going to talk about this functionality, and people can take away the strategies they need in order to be able to ultimately increase their business online. That, my friend, is what we're going to talk about.
Good. Now, you said something important there. We can direct people to other videos on our YouTube channel. So, for example, if I had a YouTube channel and I had 7 different playlists,
yep,
I could direct people from one video that I made to a different set of videos through my playlist. And I wanted to get your advice on this, Brian. There's another playlist that I'm thinking about creating around a mouth guard. So I want to create a bunch of videos that have mouth guard, you know, in the subject. And so I brought an example. I wanted to show you what I'm talking about. Are you ready for this?
I'm really excited, and I'm waiting with bated breath. Please share your ingenious discovery with me.
Okay. Got it. Right. Ready? Okay. There we go. That's right. This is gonna be a new channel. I'm gonna have mouth guards, and I'm thinking I'm just gonna do different things to, you know, inspire people to use these in their business.
Trust funnel, good.
Is this
Does Anthony has in his mouth?
Can I funnel it in here?
Okay, take that out. No, that's ridiculous.
No, I gotta eat some chips. Yeah.
Oh, I can't believe this. People. Here's the thing. If you don't want to watch this, all you have to do is like cover the screen like I am right now, folks. And I promise I won't put that in my mouth when you come visit me at the YouTube Denver Associate Professionals of YouTube Professionalism on July 7th.
No, Brian.
Evening.
I was hoping that you'd join me in the shenanigans, so I could add this to my new playlist.
That's bad, Anthony. Bad idea, dude. Okay, take that out, dude.
Okay. Sorry.
Seriously, I'm gonna hurl. I've got work to do. I've got videos to make.
I just needed a snack.
Clearly.
Okay.
Are you proud of yourself now?
I mean, I'm happy with the gimmick.
Have you staked your claim for the day?
That this was the claim that I wanted to stake, that I could use the trust funnel with the corn and get a result. Right?
Oh, people of the interwebs.
Creating
I'll do my best to tame this young lad.
A button, an interactive button here that you can go to the next playlist.
Are we still live or are we done now?
We could be done now.
Okay.
You know, in the improv,
I just don't know what to say. I mean, I'm big on humor and comedy, as you know.
Yeah, so I thought that would be a great example for
You know, everybody's got their thing. Like Joel Comm talks about farts. I don't talk about farts. I don't like poop either. I don't say those words. You don't see me talking about that. I'm a pretty classy guy. I wear some cool, I got the cowboy kind of like, hey, boy, now if you try to do that kind of thing you did on Facebook, you might find yourself 6 feet underground.
And it's grown every day.
He's got it down. He's got a sauce.
We got some secret sauce coming, and it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And I've been on YouTube since 2007, long time. And what's really cool is this is a brand new channel that I started in March.
Yeah.
And it just goes to show that anybody can leverage YouTube, and I can't wait to share. We're going to have some fun, and more than fun, we're going to really get to meet and help people to leverage YouTube to get those results.
Yeah, it's a great platform. Come down, check it out with me and with Brian. We're going to be live on TV. You're going to be in the audience, and you're going to get all this stuff so that you can put it into your channel. We'll see you there.
Give us life.